Comparison operators. That's what we're going to learn in this tutorial. You should have seen these before, and they're quite easy to understand. They simply mean something is compared to something else. And generally, if we're talking about two numbers, is the number less than something else? Is it bigger than something else? Is it less than or equal to it? Or is it bigger than or equal to it? Is it only equal to it? Or is it not equal to it at all? Down the bottom here, we've got a lottery program checker. We should be familiar with asking the user for a value. The value here is going to be input and accepted as an integer and stored in a variable called age. This is selection. If something is true, do it. If it isn't, don't. That something is generally called a condition. So we can improve our knowledge and understanding by saying if a condition is true, do it. If it isn't true, do something else. So, comparison operators, you can see them all, how you would write them in your code here, are used in conditions to compare two or more values. So, the value going to be stored in age depends on what I put in. I'm going to enter the value 14. So if age is bigger or equal to 16, do this. If it is under 16 or not, this is not true, it will do this bit here. Let's run the program. Enter your age. I'm going to input 14, and the program says user cannot play. You would be too young to buy a ticket. That's because the comparison operators compared age with the value 16. If it was bigger than 16, this would have been equated to true, so this piece of code would have been done. As it is, it was less than 16, so it equates to false, so therefore this piece of code was done.